Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create scrolling video effect on InShot video editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot and I'm going to create a video collage. I'm going to select video, select new, and I'm going to choose the blank clip. Okay, and wait, let me change the canvas. I'm going to choose this portrait canvas. And wait, let me remove the watermark, guys. Okay, done. And I'm going to add videos. I'm going to go to the PIP and I'm going to select random videos from my gallery. Okay, and then we can arrange the video so it can create collage. Guys, you can add 3 videos or more, it's up to you. Okay, and I'm going to add the second video. I'm going to add for example this one. Okay, I'm going to place it here and you can keep arranging until you're satisfied with how it looks. In the last video, I'm going to add this one. Okay, just like this. Okay, done guys. And we're going to export the video, but before it, let me cut the video. Okay, done. And then I'm going to export it. Okay, done. And we're going to create new project. But before it guys, you can create another video collage, but I'm just going to use the same video. I'm going to create a new project and import the video collage we have just exported. Okay, and for this video, I'm going to add keyframe. We can add 2 keyframes to the first part and also the end part. And then you're going to scroll it up like this, move it up, and then you're going to add the overlay. I'm just going to use the same video and click on this icon to fit the screen. And for this one, we're going to add overlay as well, like this, but we're going to move it down. Okay. And let's play it, guys. Oops, no. I'm not gonna place it here, but here. Okay, and it will create something like this. If you want to make it slower, you can extend the duration. Okay guys, and that's how you can create scrolling video effect using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.